Hello, my name is Jason Gibson from IMSA North. I am a junior, and my science fair experiment is, does peppermint improve reaction time? Okay, so the reason why, so in my experiment, I wanted to see if peppermint actually improves your reaction time. I want to do this experiment because before a big test, the teachers will always give us peppermints and say that it'll help you focus and make you react to things better and do better on the test. I never really noticed anything while I was taking the test, so now I wanted to test it out. My background information. So, when you eat a peppermint, it stimulates an area of the limbic system in the brain called the hippocampus. And that is the part of the brain that is involved with the formation of new memories as well as learning. And also, peppermint is a natural remedy for boosting memory and concentration. So with this information, I tested 10 people reaction time test. They each did the test 9 different times. 3 without the effects of the peppermint, 3 while eating the peppermint, and 3 while just smelling the peppermint. We will take the average of each person for each group and see if the results differ. So, for my materials and procedure, all I had was a Chromebook, a peppermint, and a reaction time test. And for the procedure, I gathered all my materials. They consumed the peppermint, smelled it, or didn't at all 3 times for each one. And then we took the average of each 3. My variables, my dependent variable was reaction time. My independent variable was the consumption of the peppermint. My control variables was the reaction time test and the amount of times each reaction time test was taken. And over here, here's my data. I have it with the numbers and on the graph. For my data, my results, and my conclusion. So, actually, let me talk about the reaction time test. So, for the reaction time test, they got a light. They had a Chromebook, and we took a reaction time test, and they'll see a red screen, and they had to try to hit the screen. Like, they had to try and hit the button as soon as the screen turned red or green. And so, the test does it 3 times, and then you take the best score. And so we did it 3 times. We took the best score 3 times, and then I took the average of that. So, person 1 did 293 without the peppermint, 288 while eating the peppermint, and 300 milliseconds. This is milliseconds. And 300 milliseconds while smelling it. Person 2 did 321, 316, and 10. Person 3 did 302, 298, 287. Person 4 did 299, 301, 317. Person 5 did 312, 323, 283. Person 6 did 333, 308, 321. Person 7 did 311, 297, 302. Person 8 did 297, 305, 300. Person 9 did 312, 285, 302. Person 10 did 302, 313. I wanted them to do it without the peppermint first, so you can see their base reaction time, so you can see how the peppermint, like either smelling it or eating it, changed it. And so, for my results and conclusion, I noticed that there really wasn't any drastic changes, but the smell of the peppermint looked like it improved the reaction time the most out of the 2. The effects of the peppermint hit you more because it is going straight to your brain instead of going through your stomach when you eat it. That's why I think it ended up like that. My hypothesis was that consuming the peppermint will work better than just smelling it and that was incorrect. The peppermint had more of improvement when you smelled it because of what I just said. The effects go straight to your brain when you smell it instead of consuming it, which goes to your stomach. And that is my project.